Turks and Caicos Beach is one of the most wonderful destinations in the world for those who are passionate about exploring the beauty of the sea. Located in the Caribbean Sea, the Turks and Caicos Archipelago is a well-kept secret with its magical beaches, crystal clear waters, and soft white sand. Turks and Caicos consists of 40 small islands and cays, creating a tropical palace with long coastline and fine white sand. The largest island and the main focus of tourist activity is Providenciales, with an area of approximately 98 square kilometers. Grace Bay, the archipelago's most famous beach, is located north of Providenciales and is considered one of the most beautiful beach destinations in the world. People here also contribute to harmony with the environment. Local communities often take pride in protecting and maintaining the natural beauty of the islands. Tourism and environmental education activities are also developed to increase awareness among both communities and tourists about the importance of protecting the environment and marine biosphere. The coral reefs of Turks and Caicos create a rich marine ecosystem with hundreds of species of coral along with other fish, marine worms, and crustaceans. This makes diving to see coral an experience not to be missed when coming here. Coral reefs in Turks and Caicos provide an important habitat for marine species, protecting the coastline from ocean waves. The beauty of girls on the beach comes not only from their perfect appearance, but also from their confidence and youthfulness of soul. They enjoy life by the sea with comfort and freedom, demonstrating the freedom and generosity of youth. The tourism industry in Turks and Caicos provides employment and income for many people in the country, from employment in the hotel and restaurant industry to tour guiding services and recreational activities. The development of tourism also creates favorable conditions for the development of supporting industries such as transportation, trade, and agriculture. Subscribe to Wandering Channel now to not miss any new videos and join us to explore new lands, enjoy unique natural beauty, and discover unique cultures of every region of the country.